How to turn on or turn off blockchain wallet fingerprint verification on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now, from the home screen or from the apps screen, tap on the blockchain wallet. In here, make sure you go back to the wallet homepage. And from here, tap on the more button. Then we go down and tap on settings. In settings, we go down and tap on fingerprint verification. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. When you turn it on, you need to enter your PIN to unlock Samsung blockchain wallet. So put in the PIN and then verify with fingerprint. And that's it. So that is how you can turn on or turn off fingerprint verification for Samsung blockchain wallet. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.